What letter is that?
C.
Very good.
Dog.
Dog. Very good. D. Next. What letter is that?
E.
Very good. Very good. Next. What letter is this?
G.
Bravo, Ramona.
H.
Very good. Next.
I.
Bravo, Ramona.
D.
Very good. Next. Oops. Next is this one.
M.
No, this one.
Mm.
This one. What letter is this?
M.
This one is letter M. See?
M.
Very good.
Mm.
Very good, Ramona.
O.
Bravo, baby.
B.
Very good. Next. This one.
Q.
Very good. This one.
M.
Very good. This one.
M.
L. This one.
K.
Okay, very good. Ramona. Let's go back here.
O.
Very good. This one.
B. P.
Bravo, baby. How about this one?
O.
Very good.
P.
Very good. Next. Oops.
O.
Very good. Bravo, Ramona.
E.
What is this?
P.
Bravo, Ramona.
O.
Oh, it's your favorite letter.
P. P.
Very good. Next. Open. Open. Next. What is this? Letter.
Q.
Bravo.
R.
Bravo, baby. This one. Very good.
T.
Bravo, Ramona. This one. What is this?
U.
Bravo, baby. This one.
V.
Bravo, baby. This.
R.
What is this?
S.
X. That's X. This one. W. How about this one?
Y.
Bravo, baby.
Z.
Very good. Bravo, Ramona. Bravo. Clap hands. Bravo, baby. Kiss, mama. Kiss.